Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern and this is a space pattern and also a column wise pattern. So we understand with the help of nested for loop. So firstly we create outer for loop and in this outer for loop we take 5 as lower limit, 0 as upper limit and -1 as the step value. And inside this outer for loop we create inner for loop and in this inner for loop we take 1 as lower limit and 6 as the upper limit. And inside this inner loop we used the if condition and we check if I less than equals to j, then we print the inner loop variable that is j, because this is a column wise pattern. And we used else part and in this else part we print space. And outside this inner for loop we used empty print function for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will automatically move to the next line. So when you execute this program, the above output is shown as below. So I hope you understand that how to create this pattern, and this is the easiest way and efficient way to build up this code, because this is the very important pattern. And if you have any doubt, any question regarding this pattern, you can ask me in the comment section. Oh, I hope you enjoy the pattern programming series from scratch that is totally for beginners. If you are a beginner or you want to prepare for the campus placement, off campus drive, and on campus placement, you can watch all the series from zero to advance. And thank you so much. Have a great day. आप like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Dipanshi, and thank you for watching. Trust the process of God. Things happens for a reason. Thank you.